Hey everybody, welcome back to First Tries Cooking. I know it's been a few months since we've posted anything, and I apologize for that. I guess there's a couple of reasons that we haven't. Number one, obviously it's the year 2020 and lots of weird things going on with the situation and other things going on. The other reason was because this channel was supposed to be fun, and it was supposed to inspire you to go out and try new ways of cooking or new recipes, things like that. And it started becoming more of a job because it takes a lot of work to put these videos together, and I was trying too hard to make them production quality. So I've taken a couple months off, and we're sort of refocused, and we're going to try one tonight and have a little bit of fun with it instead of it being work. So without further ado, let's make some honey garlic pork chops. Yum! All right, so here we've got some boneless pork loin chops. You can use bone-in if you like. Just depends on your preference. So we're going to start by just seasoning these to taste. Just using some salt, black pepper. Ooh, that's messy. I like it. And garlic powder. Again, this is all just to taste. We're going to add more garlic in just a little bit. So I'm not going to go super crazy with this, but I'm going to do this to both sides. And the next step is going to be put a nice sear on these in a cast iron pan. Here's some bubbling going on. We're making some garlic mashed potatoes over here. We've already actually got the broiler going because that's going to be the last thing we do here. First, I'm going to, on a high burner, I'm going to heat up some oil. Just, I don't know, enough to give a little bit of a coating on the bottom. And we're going to do that on high heat. This is grapeseed oil. Has a high smoke point. Whoops. We're just going to try and get a nice sear on here. And not get splattered too much. We're going to let it go for just a couple minutes on each side. And keep an eye on it based on how large yours are and how thick. All right, we're gonna transfer these to a plate, set it aside, and turn this down to medium. If I can pick it up. All right, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter and deglaze the pan. Try and get up all those little bits in there. This we're going to add some garlic. Roughly 6 cloves, that's probably a little more. So we like some garlic. We're just going to saute it until it's fragrant. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. I don't have any chicken broth, so water it is. About a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm eyeballing this. tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. And we're just gonna simmer this until it gets thick. All right, we're looking for about that consistency right there. Then we're going to transfer the pork chops back into it. I can smell the honey. Smell the honey, honey. And we're just going to give these a nice baste. Now we're going to transfer this whole thing into the broiler. I've got it set for low. I hope that's okay. All right, everybody, we've got our honey garlic pork chops cooked up and ready to go. We're going to give it a taste test and see how this turned out. Everybody get a piece. All right.
This is gonna be
Bottoms up.
delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
These are good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. That is really good.
The flavor is really good, but excuse me, it's not as juicy as I was hoping it would be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Um,
You had sous vide them.
Well, and I was gonna say I'll probably try this recipe again another time, but instead of cooking them in the pan and then the broiler, I figured I would sous vide them first, then sear them, then get the sauce all ready. I don't know. I'll give it a shot, but I mean it's definitely worth a shot. It's definitely worth a try. It's really good.
It's good.
Yeah, really good flavor.
Yeah. Which one?
The one you just picked up.
One I have?
Here, I'll take that piece. There we go.
Wow. That sauce is amazing.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. The other thing I want to try next time is using chicken broth instead of water. I think that'll give it a little more flavor. Yeah, I mean, this is a really, really good pork chop. I like it, and it was easy to make. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. And thank you for joining us. Join us next time. Hopefully it won't be a couple months. And then he's got something to tell you.
Smash the like button, slap that subscribe button, and kick the notification bell. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Do that.
See you next time.
See you guys.
Bye.
Okay.
Well, we can cut that part out.
I know.